Hello and welcome to this episode of Not a Proper Classic. Today there's a running issue with the Mercedes 220 CE. As you can see in the background here, messing around with the engine and the throttle. But essentially what the problem is, starts it up, eventually fires, runs rough and dies when cold, or if you can keep it running, it runs really rough, really quite a low idle. And then kind of stalls when you try to move it. So in this video I'm here just to try and have a look and work out what the issue is, what's wrong, hopefully get to the bottom of it and find a solution. Excuse the wind. What I'm doing now is like what you do when you change the spark plugs. Take the kind of air filter pipe off, which is that there, undo the bolts so you can get into the plugs. What I'll do then is I'll start her up using plastic cable, so mitigate the chance of getting a shock. Pull out plugs one at a time, see if that changes how she runs. If it doesn't, then we know it's coils or plugs or leads that are issue. If it does, then we can eliminate that as a problem. Fingers crossed it's just the leads or plugs rather than anything else. But yeah, let's see how we get on. Excuse the wind noise because it died. I'm outside, but I think looking at that could well be the issue. I've tried starting and running it all on with one plug out. Completely started but died, started but died, started, ran a little bit and died, ran rough. All was better each time than how it was with the plug-in, but that's number 4 that's out. Let's try again, and I'll show you what's going on. So, can you see that there? So the ignition's on. That sounds very similar to before, but I'll cut back and show you the previous. So I think got dodgy leads or plugs or coils, so I think that's going to be the route to go. So yeah, bit of diagnostic work done. I'll come back to you in another video, but yeah, in the meantime, here's the bonnet. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. I will appreciate any comments if anyone's got any thoughts as to exactly what it is and while the old bus is struggling. And yeah, catch you next time.